going on, everybody? Adam Neely, MC Chatter, the Build, Guild, and Refine TV, coming back at you with another episode. Alright, so good morning, everybody. We're out here on a beautiful, slightly brisk May 2nd in Phoenixville, Pennsylvania. I'm from Jersey.
I am too.
That's right, we're both from Jersey. I forgot. Yeah, we're both from Jersey. So we actually have a lot of connections out there. I still get a lot of calls for jobs out in Jersey, and I hate turning them down because they're good clients and people that I've worked for many years. So we're taking an opportunity to go out there. It's an hour and a half each way, but man, once you hit that rush hour traffic, it quickly gets to a 2-hour commute. So we're going to be staying in a hotel. We're going to be doing an entire home remodel in about 4 months. It's going to take about 4 months for us to do the whole remodel because we're only able to do 2 days a week there, but the client wanted us to do it. So
that says a lot.
That says a lot. We're really happy about that. Yeah. So let's get started. So we're here, the Jersey Project. What do you call it that? The Jersey Project.
Jersey Project.
Jersey Project in the house. Jersey in the house. All right. So it's a basic remodel. It's 3 bedrooms, 1 full bath. Only one full bath. We may actually be adding a shower to the half bath to create a 2nd full bath. But it's 3 bedrooms. What's this? Kind of like a split level Cape style house.
Yep. Built in the 50s.
Built in the mid 50s, right? Everything in the home is pretty standard and straightforward. It's a full remodel. The bathroom's getting completely remodeled, kitchen's getting completely remodeled, bedrooms are getting completely remodeled. All the carpeting is coming out. We're buffing all the hardwood floors.
A lot of skim coating going on.
Lots and lots of skim coating. Lots of spackle repair. The walls are kind of wavy and
paneling.
Yep, it's just a mess. But
new fixtures.
All new fixtures, things like that. But the big project in this home lies behind that wall. Right there. That window there is a bathroom. And at one point the tub leaked along that whole wall and rotted out the framing right behind this siding here. So all of that is rotten wood. So we're gonna have to...
I take down and I fix.
By?
Process of elimination.
Process of elimination. By process of eliminating the bad wood.
Yes.
We're gonna pull off that wall. Chatter's gonna support it first. Bolt in a structural frame. And then insert it. Insert into the wall.
Yep, and that'll hold the house up.
So the wall doesn't come crumbling down?
Because it is a load-bearing wall. All the rafters are sitting on it. So you gotta prop it up and then take out the bad part and make it new again.
Just making sure the microphone is on.
That's how we do it.
Sometimes it's not.
I know. I never sound.
That's how I do it.
I'm always too quiet.
Yeah. Well, we got to get you the little lapel mics. Those little lapel mics. So that's how we do it.
So that's how we do it.
It's the only way we do it.
This is how we do it.
Just for example, so people watching, homeowners know, there's always a reason that you'll have a leak. It's not just water's coming in out of nowhere, right? There's always a process of finding out why there's a leak. And a lot of times it's because things were improperly flashed.
Human error.
Human error. Installation error. Contractor error. So unfortunately, sometimes you have to go back and refix things. So we'll replace the collars on the pipes and we will seal the flashing around the chimney more properly so that there is no more water damage.
Yes, I think you got a high nail over there that shingle's bumped up.
Yep, get a bumper.
Yeah, so and bang that thing down.
And then that's about it. So outside we're going to be focusing on that wall first. That'll be first and foremost on the list. All right, catch you in a little bit. Alright, so just for safety and really so the animals don't get out, Chowder just threw up the our OSB and then just covered it with tar paper. We are going to be going backwards a little bit, just pulling that off tomorrow morning because this window is getting replaced and it's in horrible condition. So at least it's safe for the night. Now we know what's behind there. Now we can come back tomorrow morning with the right materials to do the job. Alright, so first day at the Jersey job. That's what we're calling it, right? The Jersey job?
Jersey job.
Jersey job. First day at the Jersey job is done, and actually went really well. As you saw, Chatter got that whole exterior wall figured out and opened up. We got a lot of junk thrown out of the house and all the trash and debris, and we got our materials list. So day one down, we just checked into our hotel here, which is
Pretty nice.
pretty all right. That was probably the worst 360. Well, what movie's that? I have no idea what we're watching. But so we're gonna go grab some dinner and then probably crash and do it all over again tomorrow. So we'll see you tomorrow.